Well, today's the first long drive that I've had to go to work. So far, I've been driving a little over an hour. It's April 29th, and it's fucking snowing. Fuck you, Mother Nature. Get off the fucking rag. This is some bullshit. Anyways, that's all I got to say. Supposed to be doing a fucking nail down install today. Well, I got a call yesterday. Well, it's not a nail down, it's a glue down on a slab. So I get to glue this floor down and then I gotta sand it. Fucking engineered 3/4. And I'm supposed to get it all done in a day. It's not a very big floor, it's like 250 square feet, but you gotta have 24 hours to let the glue set up before you can fucking start sanding. So you're gay. I don't have anything against gay people. I really don't. Whatever. You gotta listen to Cash Calls from Brainerd, Minnesota. Then you'll get that. So, yeah. See you later.